Hey Dad, thanks for getting me this airplane for my birthday. I really like it. Whoa. Hey, you got a little something on your face there. Oh, thank you. You missed a spot when you were showering too. Boy, I know. You never buy me any cool birthday gifts. That kid got an airplane from his father. What about me, huh? Boy, son, I'll get you an airplane when you prove it. Oh, I don't know, Captain. I think you should get him something. Shut up. Easy, son. It's going off too far. You see that? He's flying it out of range. That's what you would have done. Now let's go get it from this snot-nosed kid. We'll pick it up after it falls. Aye. That's how I bought you all your toys, even this boat. We just gotta wait for it to fall into the water, and then we'll be good. Thank you, Papa. He's lost control. It's gonna crash. Oh no, he's going to break it. Boy, what have I done? You disappointment. Oh, I knew your mother should have taken you whenever I gave her the chance. Now! Stick your hand up and grab it out of the air! Ah! Well, looks like he discovered the tail smoke function and... Oh no, it's not aquatic. The Battle of Dunkirk was fought in Dunkirk, France during the Second World War between the Allies and Nazi Germany. As the Allies were losing the Battle of France on the Western Front, the Battle of Dunkirk was the defense and evacuation of Britain of British and other Allied forces in Europe from May 26 to June 4, 1940. To the east, the German Army Group B invaded the Netherlands and advanced westward. In response, the Supreme Allied Commander, French General Maurice Gamelin, initiated Plan D and entered Belgium to engage in the Germans in the Netherlands. The plan relied heavily on the Maginot Line fortifications along the German-French border, but German forces had already crossed through most of the Netherlands before the French forces arrived. On May 14th, German Army Group A burst through the Ardennes and advanced rapidly to the west towards Sedan, then turned northward to the English Channel using Generalfeldmarschall Erich von Manstein plan Schnitzelschnitt under the German strategy Fallgelb, effective flanking the Allied forces. A series of Allied counterattacks, including the Battle of Arras, failed to sever the German spearhead, which reached the coast on May 20th, separating the BEF near Armentières from the French First Army, and the Belgian armor further to the north from the majority of French troops south of the German penetration. After reaching the channels, the German forces swung north along the coast, threatening to capture the ports and trap the British and French before they could evacuate to Britain.
That's a fighter.
Yes, an ME-109 from the south. Peter, you take the tiller.
Listen for my instructions. Pointer south! Full speed, Peter. Keep coming round. Keep coming. Before he fires, he's got to drop his nose. I'll give you the signal. No? No, wait. Wait for him to commit to his line.
He's gone.
Yeah, bigger fish to fry.
How do you know that stuff anyway?
My son's one of you lot.